Family, pay attention. Take leftover rice and boil it in hot water to create a signature dish like the one served at fancy hotels. Both adults and kids love it, and it can sell for as much as 128 yuan per pot. This method is unique. Many haven't seen or tasted it before. First, add an appropriate amount of water to a pot and bring it to a boil over high heat. Take some leftover rice from a few days ago, which has been stored in the freezer. Frozen rice has a more intense aroma when cooked. Once the water boils, add the frozen rice directly into the pot. The rice will quickly defrost in the hot water. Use a spoon to break it into smaller pieces, cover the pot, and simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare some shrimp, about 5 yuan worth from a batch costing 10 yuan per jin. Trim off the heads with scissors, but don't discard them. They'll be used later. Butterfly the shrimp along the back for better seasoning and devein them. Rinse the shrimp thoroughly to remove any remaining impurities, then drain and set them aside in a separate bowl. Next, prepare 3 shiitake mushrooms by trimming the stems and slicing them into thick pieces. Place them in a bowl. Add some green peas for color and texture, along with a handful of leafy greens. Any kind will do. Chop the greens into small pieces for easier eating and set aside. Finally, chop some green onions into segments and slice a small piece of ginger thinly. Heat oil in a clay pot. When hot, add the green onions and ginger and sauté until fragrant. Add the shrimp heads and fry on low heat to release the flavorful shrimp oil. Friends, I work hard daily to share simple homemade recipes, and my channel already features over 50 tutorials. If you find this helpful, please show your support with a like. Thank you so much. After frying the shrimp heads, pour in boiling water and cook on high for 3 minutes to extract their nutrients. Strain out the solids with a slotted spoon. By now, the rice porridge should be ready. Thick and creamy with a strong aroma of rice. Add the cooked rice porridge to the clay pot and stir well. Prepare a salted duck egg in advance by cutting it into small pieces. Add the egg to the porridge for a richer, savory flavor. Next, add the mushrooms and peas and simmer over low heat for another 10 minutes. Season with salt, white pepper, and MSG and mix well. When the porridge is almost done, add the shrimp. If you have additional seafood like oysters, abalone, or crab, feel free to include them and cook for another 3 minutes. Finally, add the chopped greens and stir evenly. And there you have it, a delicious seafood porridge in a clay pot. It looks incredibly appetizing and smells wonderfully fresh. While the method seems simple, the flavor and texture are truly stunning. The dish is both nutritious and diverse in taste. The shrimp are tender and juicy, and the rice porridge melts in your mouth. It's absolutely delicious. If you like it, save this recipe and try it at home.